Strengthening Faith 85. A great obstacle to the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, is earning and using unlawful wealth. This is a major sin and must be avoided at all costs. It is clear from the Holy Quran and the narrations of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, that Allah, the Exalted, does not accept any righteous deed which has a foundation in the unlawful. For example, the one who earns unlawful wealth and then uses it to perform the holy pilgrimage will find that they have wasted their time, and apart from sins they have gained nothing. This attitude completely contradicts possessing the fear of Allah, the Exalted. He only accepts things from those who fear him. Chapter 5 Al-Ma'idah, verse 27.
Indeed, Allah only accepts from the righteous who fear him.
A narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1410, warns that Allah, the Exalted, only accepts lawful wealth which is spent to please him. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, clearly warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2346, that even the supplication of the one who earns and uses unlawful wealth is rejected by Allah, the Exalted. In reality, a person only needs a little to survive in this world. It is clear from the righteous predecessors that it is possible to completely abstain from unlawful or doubtful wealth by leading a moderate life which is far from extravagance. It is obvious one only leans towards unlawful wealth because of their unnecessary desires and wishes. To conclude, it is important for Muslims to avoid the four major obstacles to the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, which have been discussed in this short book. The first step is to obtain correct Islamic knowledge from a reliable source. Then one must strive to act on it by fulfilling their obligatory duties, the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and their worldly responsibilities, all sincerely for the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted. This attitude will lead one around the obstacles to the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, and safely guide them to the gates of paradise.